It's Toronto's real estate team at RE/MAX, and here is our May 2019 Toronto Real Estate Market Report. Sales numbers were up big time for houses all around the GTA, while the overall average sale price moved up by the highest amount this year. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what's happened. In May, we had big-time sales compared to last year, with 9,989 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. Although the second lowest number since 2013, these numbers are up 29% over 2018. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites took a lower 32.9% share of the market, with 3,285 units being sold. The May average sale price for all GTA homes came in at $838,540, up a very surprising 3.6% from 1 year ago. This average is now down just 2.7% from the average market high back in May 2017. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how slow or fast the market has been moving. The inventory average for the month of May compared to historical numbers was lower by 4.3% compared to last year at this time, but up 11% from April. This is actually a good sign, since we're not being overwhelmed with high inventory levels and is probably keeping us from seeing a slump in prices in some GTA locations. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In May, that ratio finished at 49.9%, about 13% above last year. The GTA overall has moved slightly more into moderate seller market territory, so buyers and sellers may need to adjust their pricing expectations if they want to make a move. The days on market average for GTA/Toronto homes was 19 days, the same as April. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb district, the average sale price for May was $705,585. That average moved up 5.9% from the same time last year. With 434 condo sales in the month, the numbers were down 9% compared to 2018 and back to 2015 levels. There were 618 active listings on the market in May, basically the same as last year, but still significantly lower than prior to 2017. The ratio of sales to listings increased to 70.2%, which keeps CO1 in busy seller's market territory. The average days on market came in at 16, 1 day faster than last month. Now east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb district, the average sale price for May was $695,291. That number was up 3.8% compared to 2018. And with 199 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 11.2% from last year. There were 274 active listings on the market in May, up 9% from 2018. The ratio of sales to listings was 72.6% for the month. That number puts CO8 into busy seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 15, 1 day faster than last month. Here's a snapshot summary of the significant real estate milestones for Toronto in May 2019. Sales up big time compared to 2018. May sales are up 29.4% compared to last year at 9,989. And the ratio of sales to listings dropped slightly to 49.9% in May. Also, the average sale price came in at $838,540, up a positive 3.6% compared to last year. Note that this overall market average was just 2.7% lower than the highest ever average 2 years ago in May 2017. The GTA real estate market overall averaged the days on market at 19, 1 day faster than last year. And detached home sales in May 2019 with a purchase price over $2 million were up 31% at 260 houses, while condo apartment sales over $2 million were up 21% at 17 suites. The condo share of the market dropped slightly to 32.9% during the month. And downtown condo active listing numbers were flat in CO1 and up in CO8 by 9% from last year at this time. Also, May condo sales were down 8.8% in CO1 and up 11.2% in CO8 compared to 2018. The condo days on market average was 15 to 16 days, 3 to 4 days faster than the overall market. And the ratio of sales to listings for condos downtown was closely matched in CO1 at 70.2% and in CO8 at 72.6%, but still much higher than in the overall market. Building on this higher demand due to better affordability, condo appreciation in the two main downtown markets averaged 3.8 to 5.9% year over year, slower than at any time in 2018, but still loads above the whole board average. Markets in York Region and other 905 neighborhoods have suffered the most from the market slowdown. However, sales have increased dramatically in May compared to 12 months ago. Now that we're near the end of the traditional spring market, expect sales to slow slightly and inventory to pick up more as we progress through the summer market. Buyers should watch for more pricing opportunities to get the condo or house of their dreams. This month we're looking at the stats for the Toronto Real Estate Board showing sales and average price by major home type. Sales in the 905 districts were up big time, averaging a 24% increase in numbers. Even bigger were sales increases for detached and semi-detached houses in Toronto, up 30+%. Average sale prices, however, were very stable over the month, with just incremental percentage increases for houses across the board, while condos were up 5 to 6% in both the 416 and the 905 areas. Unless something drastic happens, we think this is the turning point for our market. Increased sales show that there's buyer and seller confidence in our overall economic situation here in the GTA. So what's a terrific way to make your first baby step into Toronto's real estate market and find out where those more affordable choices are? The best first step is to go on a market experience tour of condo or house neighborhoods with one of our team members. Leave your checkbook at home. What a tour is not intended to do is show you homes with the intention that you'd immediately buy one. What it is intended to do is give you an opportunity to get a clearer idea of what's available on the market, in your favorite parts of the city and in your price range, without worrying about being pressured into having to make an immediate buying decision. Once you've had your tour, we want you to go back home and think about what you saw. You'll then be better able to set up a good home buying plan and make smart, educated decisions about where and when you want to be in your new home. You can sign up for your condo tour at marketexperiencetour.com and a tour of houses at dailytorontohometours.com. Remember to check back here in early July for our June 2019 Toronto Real Estate Market Report.